Hey guys, let's attach some additional files into our Outlook email. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to attach files in our email of Outlook. Before starting to that, we are happy to announce you that we are going to launch a website for our Google Tech by coming August 20th. So from there you can able to check the contents related to VBA, Excel and Power BI DAX which we have already uploaded. And in this particular VBA series we have started how to send an email in Outlook and how to download the attachments from the Outlook. And today we are going to see how to add an attachments to the Outlook from our particular folder. Let's start with the today's session. So this is the code from our previous sessions. So if you want a file, please let me know. We will be sharing you this particular code to your specific email IDs. And now I need to add the attachments to our subject email. Before that, let's run this code and so that will be a recap for everyone. I'm just running this code. It's getting executed and you can see this says that this is my best method to write email. So whatever we have done over here, like we have written the text in HTML body and as hello text should be in the bold and given two line space and it will be giving you the exact format whichever we have given. Now I need to add an attachments. How to do that? Just a simple method. Type dot and attachments. You can see dot attachments is done. What I have to do with the attachment, I have to add. So I give again a dot and add and give a space. It says source type position display name and attachment. So here I just want to add this test attachments file from where this particular folder which is existing, which means the tool where it is saved. For that I'm going to give the path as this workbook active workbook dot path. What it will happen is it will take the path of this current workbook where this file is so saved, and I'm going to connect it with and give a double quotes, give a backslash, and I need to add the name of that particular file which I want to attach. So here our file name is testattachments.xlsx. I'm just copying it and adding it over here and close the bracket, which is end of the statement. Now let's execute this particular piece of code and see what we are getting. We can see our attachment is added successfully. If you want to add multiple files the same way, you can go ahead and you can add the multiple lines of dot add and you can give the multiple files name whichever you want to do. And for further enhancement, stay tuned with our Google Tech. If you have any queries in this video, please reach out to us. We are happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.